Hey, all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Topic that we have today is from FRM Level 1, is from Paper 2, Quantitative Analysis, and it is from chapter Machine Learning Methods. From that chapter, we will talk about topic which is NLP, which stands for Natural Language Processing, and we will learn this topic through one question. So here is a question. Let's look at it. The process of tokenization used by natural language processing, that is NLP algorithm, involves which of following actions? So we have four options: capitalizing all letters, lumping words together, adding appropriate spacing, removing punctuation marks. So we these are the four options that we are given. See, out of these, two can be easily dropped. Two are like two may confuse a bit, but if you know the concepts well, then perhaps it would be easy to answer. But before we talk about answer, let's look at what tokenization means. And yes, before we go ahead, please do subscribe to our channel and stay till the end of the video. We will show you the practical demonstration of steps that are involved in NLP, and it's going to be quite interesting video. So I encourage you to be there till the end of video to get best value out of this. And yeah, you will get a sense that we try to stimulate your thought process. So first of all, let's understand what NLP means. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. It is a field at the intersection. When I say intersection, you can say like in the sets theory, we talk about intersection, which means joints. So it's a joint between computer science and artificial intelligence. Okay, and like linguistics. So you can say uh, three things coming together to form NLP. One is computer science, another one is artificial intelligence, and third one is linguistics. So NLP primarily focus on written tests. So basically, if I talk about purely from FRM context, say you can think of tool wherein you are dumping PDF, which is a balance sheet of any firm. So NLP has an ability to come up with some good observation out of that. So that's it's primarily for written text, but in advanced with the advancements in machine learning and AI, it has allowed significant progress in analyzing verbal communication also. So like if you could give some uh, say audio to that tool, it will analyze that as well. By combining speech recognition with NLP technique, system can effectively interpret and respond to the human speech. You might have seen a lot of uh, like tools which wherein you can in fact in the latest LEDs that we watch on day-to-day basis, in remote controls you have flexibility to say something, and the tool inside it will recognize your audio, and based on that it will get you the results. So that's the power of advanced AI and machine learning, and it responds to the human speeches, enabling more natural intersection between humans and machine. So primarily for written text, but with the advancement in ML and AI, it has been extended to the verbal communication as well. Yeah. So most important, quite relevant to, so we understood what is NLP. Let's see what are steps involved in NLP. There are various ways depending on case to case basis. Your the model is accordingly like order step that are like listed here are used. So if we talk about tokenized, so it is a step which involves removing punctuation. When I say punctuation, I mean like you can think of full stop, question marks, exclamatory sign, semicolon, comma, etc. So those are like the removing those, because these do not add any value to the text. So removal of these, any symbols like say hash, etc. And spaces, like basically removal of spaces, punctuation and symbols is tokenized. And the second thing is stop words. Like even if you look at these words, the has, these do not have any value addition when you are analyzing the text. So these are also removed. And process to remove these is called as stop words. And third one is stemming. When we talk about stemming, it's kind of classifying certain. See, if you look at examples, arguing, argued, argues, it is mapped to one word. Just to see, if you have everything in your data, arguing, argued, argues, your data would be quite huge. So just to reduce just to reduce dimensionality of your data or size of your data, you map similar words to the same word. That's the stemming. And the next one is lemmatization, which is like giving a meaning to some words. So example words would be maps to bad. So you need to be very careful uh, with stemming and lemmatization. Over here, the the final thing which is mapped, it's quite similar to that. You do not change it entirely, whereas in lemmatization, the meaning changes. That's the difference. And n-gram is basically like grouping something. Say the trigram exceed analyst expression may be more meaningful than separate word exceeds analyst and expectation. Like sometimes what happens that separated words do not give you that much meaning, whereas this grouping gives you the more meaning. That's the n-grams. So that's about the steps involved in NLP: tokenize, stop words, stemming, lemmatization, n-grams. So just make it simple. Remember these examples. You should be in a position to differentiate if you are asked a question in the exam. So this is something interesting I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Like this is a Python script which gives you the example of, say, first one that you see here, tokenization. So in tokenization, initial line is natural language processing is an amazing field of machine learning. So if you see with a tokenization, spaces have been removed. So spaces are removed, and I'll tell you why we have highlighted is an N. So the first one is basically tokenization, removal of spaces, punctuation, and symbols. That's the tokenization. So if you see the output has removed the space, and like yeah, now these are different objects, natural language processing. And next one is stopping words. If you see, these were kind of stopping words, is n. So when we were getting output of stopping words, now you see these two words have been removed when you like execute the stop words command in your Python program. And next one is stemming. So stemming is like as I said that you try to like reduce the size of the your words and assign. Say there would be more words in your data, which will be quite similar to natural. So that would be reduced. Say nature, just example. If this data would have been more, so nature would be tagged to the nature, and language likewise processing is tagged to process, amazing is tagged to amaze. Likewise, you can think it's kind of stemming. You are trying to just reduce the size of your data. And if you notice carefully, lemmatization has been not put here because it's not really many words which may have the similar meaning. That's why program got confused and that's not here. And the last one being ngram, wherein if you see that there have been there are groups in the output. If you notice natural language, natural processing, processing amazing. So these are the kind of a grouping which will get you the more sense. So coming back to our original question, so if you look at the options, it's quite evident. Be careful. Uh, you may confuse with this. Adding appropriate spacing, absolutely not. It is removal of these spaces. So this is not correct. It might be confusing because eventually tokenization is removing spaces, punctuation, and symbols. So the right option for this question is D, removing punctuation marks. And if you're interested, we have one more question on the screen. Natural language processing is used to evaluate the management discussion analysis section of the company annual report. In removing stop words, be careful. In removing stop words, the NLP algorithm will remove all of the following except, so basically in stop words, what you do, in stop words, you try to remove stopping words. So you need to identify which one out of this is not stopping words. This is exercise for you. Please do answer. Uh, please do give an attempt and post your answer in the comment box of the YouTube channel. That will really get us feel that if the video was really helpful or not. So yeah, and please do subscribe to our channel. You might have noticed it takes a lot of efforts to come up with videos like this. And yeah, I mean, from that Python script, at least it will get fit in your memory somewhere so that you will remember what really NLP means. And yeah, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, please do subscribe to our channel. Please, please, please do that. And share the videos with your peers who are preparing for FRM exam, CFA exam, or any similar type of things there that are like even Python or any other new tools that they are trying to learn. It will really help them to enhance their knowledge. Thank you for watching and staying till the end of the video. Thank you.